Okay, we are doing work together on page 15 in your books, and it says that on October 31st the Hess Company's accounting equation indicated the following account balances. Okay, so first thing we need to do is who, what, and when. Who are we? We are, I think you have to type the title over here to go in the center. Hess Company. Okay, when is it? Or what is this? This is a balance sheet. Oops, don't want to type it there. Type it over here, balance sheet. And when is it? Okay, so then we have the date, October 31st, 2009. And if your spreadsheet software changes the date to this format, that's fine, just leave it like that. We want our first title centered, assets. Remember, assets are on the left side, and owner's equity and liabilities are on the right side. Okay, our assets that we have are cash, supplies, and prepaid insurance. Okay, after we type in our titles, we can look in our book there and work together. We can see that our cash balance is $2,400, and supplies is $300, and prepaid insurance is $600. Next, we'll go over to this side over here, and we will center the title liabilities. Okay, so we have one liability, AP Hewlett Company. AP stands for accounts payable, and their balance was $250, so we'll enter that in there. We'll go down to Jim Hess Capital in our owner's equity section, and we will put in $3,050, and then we will total these up. Now, the single rule, if you go up here to your borders button, you can click on that and that'll single rule. You can't really see it though, it's pretty thin, so I might want to thicken that up and have a thick bottom border, and then now you can see it. And then also over here we want to do a thick bottom border. Okay, then also to add these up, you do have an auto sum button. It looks like a backwards E in the top right corner on your home tab. It's a little bit out of my frame here, but if you click on that, it'll ask if you want to add those up. You just hit enter and say yes, that's what I want to add up. I can do the same thing over here, except this time I have to tell it to add up these by clicking and dragging on it. And hit enter, and they match. So now we need to double rule to show that these two sides equal. To double rule, we don't have the option for thick bottom borders, but we can just do a double bottom border, and that will suffice. And then we have our completed balance statement. Okay, go ahead and go to the next link and do on your own.